morning, guys. Today is December 1st, so after church today, Daniel and I are gonna decorate the house for Christmas. So I'm really excited. Yeah, so it's the first day of December, and we're actually supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm today. It's supposed to be starting, I think, soon. So I'll show you what it looks like outside right now. We have, if you can see, we have like no snow. And we're supposed to be getting about 18 inches. So it's gonna be snowing while we're decorating and setting up for Christmas. So that's gonna be fun. I am on my way to go pick up some groceries, and we have to pick up more groceries later. But I just wanted to vlog today and show you guys how we're gonna decorate for our first Christmas. So I'm super excited, and I will see you guys soon. So we made it back from church, and it's not snowing yet. So we didn't die. It's just raining a lot.
Frozen pizza?
Yes. So we're gonna have lunch, and we need to clean up, and then we're gonna start decorating. So the house is a mess right now. We had a sleepover downstairs. And laundry to fold.
You want a video of the radar again?
Sure. Ooh. Expect to wake up to snow.
Yeah, our driveway is a sheet of ice. And if you've never seen our driveway before, it kind of just drops right down into a main road. So basically, if you get going too fast, if it's too icy, you're gonna get T-boned. Right, Hannah?
Right.
Here we go. So I fixed up a 1980s snowblower, and I'm about to go show you guys. Doesn't really help. Comment down below on what I should name it. The best name wins, and I'm going to spray paint it on the side of the snowblower. I'm just gonna pick it anyways, but I'm gonna let you guys give me good names. So just throw on my winter boots. Ooh. Protect the camera. This is ice, by the way. This isn't snow. Boom. This thing is a beast. Forget that there's already a name on it. So I'm gonna spray paint the name right there on the side. Maybe put like a face that they used to put on bombs in World War II. You know, make it look like it's a destroyer. But yeah, get to test this baby out in a little while once it starts snowing. Peep the Coca-Cola radio. There's the beautiful abode and a stranger. I see you over there. Cool. Wow, it's slippery. That's what I get to come home to every day. Preggers. Okay.
So I got these like $2 freezer pizzas from Aldi today when I was getting groceries, because I knew I didn't feel like making lunch. So we're gonna eat our pizzas. The house is a little bit more tidied up. Daniel showed you guys the driveway, and it just is absolutely blowing me away. I hung up one decoration, and it's this little wreath that I made. My grandma's the day after Thanksgiving. It's a little bit crooked, but that's my fault. But it's cute. You ready to eat?
Heck yeah!
Almost clean.
Dashing through the snow.
Okay, so as you saw in our little time lapse, we folded up the laundry and the floor is clean now. So we have all of the Christmas decorations that we own behind us, and we're gonna try to decorate and put together the tree. What do you want to start?
Little knickknacks in here.
Alright, so My mom gave me this stuff, or my parents gave me this for my birthday this year.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside.
Look at that. Oh, hey, there's 24, right? 24 days until Christmas. We're gonna start with the trees, so I will probably definitely time lapse that. So here goes our decorating montage. Our tree is decorated. We're gonna shut off the lights and plug it in. And we don't have a topper yet, and we need to get some stockings. But it looks so cute, so let's shut off the lights. Ooh. It looks so cozy. So I'm trying to sign into Disney Plus on the TV, and it said if you connect it on your device that's connected to the same network, it can like log you in. So I just logged in on my phone, and I just saw that my dad made Daniel and I profiles, and focus. He made Daniel Thanos. That's cracking me up. And yeah, I'm Belle. For some reason, my nickname that my family gave me is Belle, so they'll call me Belle or Hannibal, so that's definitely why he picked that one. That's so funny. Thanos. My baby brothers, or well, they're not babies, but they're baby Groot. And someone just washed dishes for me, so that was very nice.
His chin is so ugly. I wonder if he thinks that because it's my chin.
First Christmas tradition is set. What is it?
The first Sunday of the month, or is the first day after break?
The first Sunday after Thanksgiving, I guess.
That skirt looks terrible.
Oh yeah, I was gonna fix it. First Sunday after Thanksgiving, we're gonna decorate for Christmas, and then watch a Christmas movie. We're gonna watch Home Alone now. Oh. We finished our movie, and now we're going to Walmart, and the car is just absolutely covered in ice.
Moment while you sit on top of the aux cord.
Oh, am I really?
Say, give me my dang aux cord. What the heck is this thing pinched on? Buckled in with the wifey. Those hot wings are pretty spicy.
As you can see, we made it back from getting our groceries, and we're gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching
My
this.
head looks so big. Okay.
Because I can't hold it. You're too tall. Just kidding, we're sitting down. Really safe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us decorate our tree. We only need a few more things, like a tree, or
Whoa.
a star.
Pregnancy brain. Film the rest of the house?
Yeah. Well, I'll flip you guys around. We need a star and stockings and presents. We need to get some of those. So yeah, we have cute lights out there, which is all Daniel's idea, and it looks amazing.
And the ribbon on the staircase.
And the ribbon on the staircase is that cute truck
It's my phone.
with a tree. So don't forget to
Like and subscribe and comment.
comment down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Comment about the snowblower.
Bye.
Bye.
It's the next day, and I'm editing the Christmas decorating video, and we finally got that storm that I was telling you guys about. So the first clips that you see are what the snow looked like this morning, and then currently just a few hours later. So we got the snow finally.